Wow. My room is a mess. We're gonna fix that by the end of today.
Too hard 'cause I just gave up. Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day 'cause I was tired? Or did I get tired 'cause I slept too much? Slept too much.
Okay, so now that we're all dressed, whoa, I'm close to you guys. I really want to do something that has needed to be done. Do I have my keys? I have my keys. For a bit of a week now, just because I've been prepping with the airbag system and with the, no, just the airbag system, that's all I'm gonna say. And I really want to, I really need to open this up. I really need to get, let's just do it. This is a brand new, not just kit, but brand new wide body company completely. The company is called Angry Acorns. I went with them because they're pretty much a concept company that has not made anything ever before. And they made one concept of this body kit for a 2000, I believe it was 17, maybe 16, might be wrong, Subaru STI. I feel like all of my facts are wrong actually on that car, but all I can say is it is fucking insane. It is so cool what they did with it. So I said I gotta have it because there's the Midnight Rider, or some people call it the Mountain Rider. Some people just call it the MNT Rider kit. And I might get some flack for this, but as you guys know, or maybe if you watch my WRX channel, which is my buddy Jay, they put it on Casey's car and it was a terrible fit. It was just not good. And I think it's because they're mass produced and everybody has them. They never really had many wide body kits available. And it was like the first main one that they had. So I went with something different that I thought was more aggressive, that was more with the body lines, and being the only one in Washington State, and as far as I know, as of today, the only one on the West Coast to have this kit, I really am just too anxious and I want to open it up. That's fucking beautiful. Oh, it's so smooth. Oh my God, this is so nice. That's not low quality at all. Oh my God. Wow, okay. I was not expecting that. Oh man, this is gonna look so good on the car. I cannot wait to put it on. I will say I do have one complaint. It doesn't really matter to me, but it looks like these are gel coated with the black, which is perfect. If you have a black car, you don't even have to paint it. It's gonna probably match. It's gloss black, it's perfect. But the packaging was very secure as far as keeping it from hitting anything else. But with them laying on top of each other, there's a lot of little scuffs and nicks I'm finding on this kit. There's some scuffs. Now there's also little nicks around the corners, which kind of gives you a little lead for where you want to bolt the kit in to the car. So that's really good, but there are some places where you would definitely not drill into the car. I'll give you an example. Right here is, I don't know if you can see it in the dark, but it's a little scuffed up there. There's a little bit on this corner. Overall, I'm super happy with the way this thing looks, and I cannot wait to get it on. Yeah, there it is, man. There's the whole kit. You got the rears, the fronts. Oh, it's gonna look so good. So we'll be taking care of the body kit at a later date. Now, I figured, I was thinking about this last night, is instead of trying to start reassembling something that really is the main goals and the main looks of this car, while we have it torn apart, I figure I might as well go ahead and tear everything apart. I'm still waiting on a couple things to be ordered, which would be here soon. I first want to at least touch bases on something different. I love this bumper. Now it's just the stock bumper. The stock bumper just wrapped in the mint. I got the Subi Speed sequential fog lights here, And then I also got the Aeroflow, who are sponsors, by the way. So thank you, Aeroflow, for all you've done for me, and at least my car, and getting it to where it is. And what I love about you guys is that you're easy to work with. So I really do appreciate it. And I at least wanted to put it onto a video, especially in these early days of the YouTube channel. So really thank you guys for that. I made the top canards here, which are my little homemade ABS plastic ones that are actually impressively good. And I think really gives a nice aggressive style to it. And then also the the MXP or MPX lip that's down here, which kind of adds a little extra nice things to it. But if you guys remember me going around in ocean shores and basically tearing it up on the beach and everything like that. If you guys know anything about that day, I severely destroyed this front bumper. The whole bottom end kind of ripped out. And because of that, I'm now stuck with a lot of holes in the front bottom of this bumper, since it's gone through a total of about 4 splitters already in the past year. And I think it's time for a change. I just remembered something. If you guys know Casey, I just hit him up. I think I already found out what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get my keys. He has something that I really want, and I think I'm gonna go get it. And I think it's gonna be fucking dope. He's the baby. Why is it outside? Why does he have it outside? God, it looks so good. About to have competition as soon as I'm done with mine.
12 seconds later.
I freaking told you not to get them.
I got a new one coming on Monday.
I know, they are, but you're gonna go through like 16 of them.
I know.
Completely missed up like a long ass conversation that was supposed to be private, and then where? Show me.
Did it go away?
Oh, we're right here.
Yep, oh, there it is. Yep.
Oh my god.
Yep.
And just like mine, same spot.
Really?
You remember? Did you see the montage, like the beginning?
Yeah.
Remember that part? It was just like
Yeah.
you failed me, like that little like 2-second piece.
Yeah.
Just it's a different blue. That's it. It's just a blue instead of a black at the time.
Yep.
But they look great.
They do look good. That's why
Looks
I was like,
amazing.
I gotta have the fucking
Amazing.
paint on the car out here. It bothers me.
I know. Why didn't you have a car color?
Because I usually have a garage.
Okay, good point. That makes sense. And then that seat. That thing. What brand is that?
Status?
Oh, so you got a status?
Yeah.
Did they make them that color?
Yeah, I customized it.
Oh, they did. Okay, you did.
Yeah.
They have it.
Personally.
Can you just like stop? Because you're like I'm
Yeah, I was like-
struggling to keep up.
I just look at all this and I'm just like, I have to do all of this. It's so fucking much stuff.
Yeah, it is. So he's okay. He's alive.
I am here.
It has
I'm
been
alive.
a month since I've seen you, man.
I know. Well,
I
you
can't
didn't see
get
me
a hold
after
of
I
it.
went on vacation, did you?
No.
Yeah, so that's, yeah.
Did you just get this?
Yeah. It's my new trigger.
Oh
This thing is
shit.
dope.
Gonna smoke some meat.
So this is where we stopped, right here.
What the fuck? See if I can even get that.
Yep.
That is bad.
Yep.
That is so bad.
That was used
So
to be
is
inside
that
my block.
how much of that did that contribute to?
All of it, 100%.
It was 100%.
That was it.
Okay.
Yep. Because when we loosened it, this is the one that had the loose head stud nut, which we thought like, oh, the nut was just loose. Sure fucking enough, the nut wasn't loose. This thing just pulled out.
The whole thing was just sliding in and out.
Yeah.
So that
So-
created a
Little
gap,
gap right
and then
there.
it leaked out, and
Yeah. Under boost, it would just lift it off like a little bit.
then you got just everything's shooting out. Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
This one's on.
it only took an entire engine removal to find out.
I know.
It wasn't even recording. I didn't even see it until you pointed it out, but yeah, so the whole reason why I'm here is for that. And I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we'll see. Wrapping, that's gonna be a bitch. What's up, man? Here's the big boy. It's been 2 months since we've all been together, and it will be a couple more months before we're all 100%. But how you been, man?
We gotta get to work, man.
Yeah.
Dude.
Time to.
We would have done by now, dude.
I know.
Well, you know, it's typical. You know, use high boost, no matter what engine it is. Those heads
So this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm. So this is the bumper I've been talking about. Or actually, I should say the modification that I've been talking about. Instead of taking on my modified stock bumper, just going all out and going with something different. This is a Varis replica front bumper, pretty much exactly the same, and that's the lip that's already on it, right? Okay, yeah. So basically, it's already complete in there, and it's all wrapped up for a nice long road trip, which I'm not gonna do. The only issue is that it's super flimsy, and so you gotta be careful. But he said he went 140?
I did go 140 on the way to Vegas with it.
140 to Vegas. This thing's been to Vegas, and I haven't. So it's already traveled more than I have in a timely that it's been made. This could be the new future. I love the design. I thought about the charge speed, but since other people were paying money for tests and they decide not to go with it, I figure I might swoop it up.
I bought it for a little over $700, and that was 25% off
Wow.
when I got it. So normally it's like over $1,000 from the Fly One Motorsports rep company.
Fly One, okay.
Fly
so
One
it's
Motorsports.
Motorsports
and,
rep company.
Yeah, I don't know
Yeah.
how much a legit Varis bumper would be. Probably upwards of.
I think they go for like $2,000, something
Yeah,
like
and
that.
then how long you have to wait for it, like 6 months or something.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. There's a lot of ifs, ands, or buts, and maybes and experiments about this, but I think that's the whole point of doing cars and stuff, is to experiment. I mean, look at the way this thing's going. I mean, it looks more put together than the Subaru at my place, so
Yeah.
I gotta load this thing up and see if it's worth it. I mean, of course, reps are always sketchy, but if you're able to drive all the way from Vegas back, I'm pretty sure this little bit of flimsiness won't be a big deal.
Built it up, it's pretty sturdy on the car, but
Yeah,
if it takes a fucking hit.
it's gonna shatter.
And yeah, it will. I mean, with the wrap on it, you might be able to just cover it with the wrap, but I don't know. Now,
Where'd he go? No!
right there. Dude, look at those.
Where?
Right there, baby.
Where? Oh, you got a fucking bee?
There it
on
goes.
Get on
It's
it.
out. Oh, and it's back in.
Is it back in? What are you doing?
All right, let's let it.
What are you? Get off my pillow! No! Yeah! It's coming my way. Okay, it's in. That. I hate bees. I hate bees. Let's see. You got a new family. New
Yeah.
family member, man.
No, this thing's
Let's go in the big area.
Oh yeah.
He's dirty and I feel bad, so.
He's probably scared.
Another project.
Wanna help?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the guy that he does the work. This puppy.
Yeah.
Where'd he go? Oh. Oh, that's a little furry little one.
Oh, dude, look at him. He's so cute.
Probably freezing cold.
Hey, welcome to your new house. Here's 2 cameras, 2 babies, and 4 people staring at you.
Here's the question though, what's the name?
Okay, so Aubrey first said she wanted its name to be Taco Bell.
Taco
And
Bell.
then, what was the other name?
Snowball.
Snowball,
and then
Oh,
Curtis.
Curtis.
So,
Just make sure you don't put
We
that one
got
back in the mouth.
decisions
Oh,
to
and
make.
it went back in his mouth. I think Curtis is good.
Killer? Is that what you said?
Killer?
No, killer.
Oh yeah, killer. There you go.
Killer would be good. That'd be a good one. Oh,
Or not.
never mind.
Here we go.
We're all spending money like crazy. So these guys just, the problem is, the reason why I don't hang out with them is because I always spend money when I'm with them. But I just got a tune and
Get
some
some coffees?
high-end TGV deletes. So from the Fat Bodie tuning. So yeah, and I got the last one. So sorry. Whenever this comes out,
That Black
because
Friday sale.
I have to catch up. Yeah, the Black Friday sale. So
3 years later.
3 years later, I know, right? I'm trying to knock out the old ones real quick. Christmas is coming around the corner. It's Black Friday sale. I was able to knock it down, and I guess I'm getting tuned properly. So I had to do it. It's too good of a deal. Otherwise, it'd probably be like a $700 tune anywhere else at any other time of what I got, including the parts that I added on to it. So probably 1,000. So I did it. I pulled the trigger, and now we're gonna go get some chicken because that's appropriate. And you know, I've never rode in your WRX, so I think I might ride in Jay's WRX for the first time. I've never rode in it.
All right, well, fuck it, let's do it, man.
There we go. And then we're gonna get Cripple over here hoisted in. Do you have wheelchair accessibility? Okay. We call an access bus for him.
Dude, he's got handicap parking, dude.
Look at that.
Fuck that. I don't need that shit.
Yeah.
Alright. I don't know about that. It's a comment on your video. Look, I ran a red light.
Wow.
Idiot.
Damn, bro. You're getting smoked by a Tundra. Damn. Oh my god. Damn, we could have a massive meet there.
Oh, it could, huh?
That's a huge parking lot that's empty.
Yeah, no stop. That shit's always.
Oh, you guys want to have a meet? Let's do that. Let's have a meet there before
A
business
meet and
takes
greet?
over. Meet and greet, yeah. Do you want to meet this guy? He's a good dude. He's a good dude. Except when he gets on the internet.
Oh,
Never been here.
How have you never been to a Popeye?
I know. I don't know. All right, time to get some protein with Starbucks. What if they'll kick us?
My ass, man.
Ooh.
Fucking protein in their chicken.
There's no protein in their chicken? It's just all lard and butter.
I don't know if it's real chicken, but it tastes good.
We'll see.
We get at least one biscuit. Just a biscuit.
I'm gonna get it all.
Nobody's gonna hold my coffee.
Oh, god damn it. How am I supposed to vlog and carry everything for you?
It's just one thing.
All right, so we got her. I have leftover biscuits and coleslaw. Oh shit, where's my spoon? I think I lost the spoon.
Did I tell you about the dude that came to my door? Yeah, so one day I was just chilling. I was like about to start working on the engine before I had my broken leg. And some dude comes up to my door, rings the doorbell, and so I'm like, hey, I say, hey, this is a sweet car you got. He's like, oh, I gotta watch your YouTube videos. Can you come talk to her, dude?
Uh-oh.
I was like,
Oh shit, it's one of those.
that's weird.
Oh
He's driving, like, a
shit,
modded
you had a
smart car.
TJ Hunt moment.
Yeah.
He made a video about that, like
Dude,
don't
man.
hold your camera up and come and try and talk to me. I'm trying to have dinner with my family. Oh shit, you're making people famous, man.
Oh man.
Oh, well that's, I probably
He's
won't
driving a
have
modded
it.
smart car.
Modded smart car? I mean, that's kind of cool.
Me out, dude. I'm like, dude, man.
Yeah, that's a little weird.
Yeah.
If you watch my vlogs, man, don't do that again. To anyone. Ever. Social media contact, man. Hit the
And,
DMs.
like, I had to like be nice. I was like, because I was like gonna be in the garage working on my fucking engine.
Yeah.
And I was
Yeah,
like,
that's
"Fuck, I'll talk to
that's
you."
weird, dude.
Yeah.
Like, no offense. Maybe a great guy, maybe you're not, but just don't do that. That's weird.
Yeah.
So, but thank you for the bumper thing. I'm gonna get you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you. I'm
whatever,
gonna make
dude.
it rain here soon for you. So a lot accomplished. New bumper. So that's gonna be replacing the original stock one. Stop talking. Stop talking shit. No balls for what?
Nothing. Chad likes penis.
Okay, well, I guess I like penis too. You guys are just fucking trolls, man. So bumper, now I have a tune, now I have new TGV deletes coming, and so next time, you guys need to come over to my place. Next weekend. I don't care how crippled you are.
Jesus.
Come over to my place.
Sitting around.
So these guys can come over because I've come over here so many times in the past. They've never made it over to my side of the neck of the woods unless it's for a show. Till then, thank you guys. Peace out and say goodbye to these guys. They'll come back soon, and hopefully I can get this video uploaded soon. I have so much to catch up on. So
Chad likes penis.
I like penis, and you guys stay humble because obviously I am.